Assalamu alaikum online with computers grade 4. Now we are going to start exercise of chapter number 1. Key terms. Students will highlight these key terms and learn them. First one is compute. Means calculate. CPU. Central processing unit. Input is typing data into the computer. Process is calculating or sorting the data. Output is the result of processed data. Data is raw facts or figures. Information is processed data. Exercise. Students will solve this exercise by yourself. Otherwise, tally your exercise with this solved exercise. Question number A. Choose the correct option and write in the space provided. Question number B. Fill in the blanks. Question number C. Tick the correct and cross the wrong ones. Question number F. Write down the correct steps below in each picture. Question number G. Arrange the jumbled words. CPU, input, data, output, process, information. Question number D. Answer the following questions. These are the questions and answer of these questions are: exercise questions. Question number 1. Define computer. Answer. A computer is an electronic machine that can do fast and correct calculation. Question number 2. Write the name of some places where computer is used. Answer. Computers are used in school, offices, shops and railway stations. Question number 3. Define the following terms. Answer. Input. Input is anything given by the user. Process. Process means calculating or sorting the data by using CPU. Output. Output means giving results of processed data through monitor. Data. A collection of raw facts and figures is called data. Information. Processed form of data is called information. Question number 4. Write any 3 differences between man and computer. Answer. Man, computer. Man works slowly. Man can imagine and think, sometimes wrong. Computer works fast. Computer cannot imagine and think. Computer always accurate. Grade 4. Now we are going to start chapter number 2. Characteristics of a computer. After reading this chapter, students will be able to discuss the characteristics of a computer, describe the limitations of a computer, list the various uses of a computer. Now we are going to start characteristics of a computer. First one is speed. A computer works at a very high speed. It can perform millions of calculations in a very short period of time. It can add, subtract, divide and multiply millions of calculations at a time. High storage capacity. A computer has a very large memory. It can store a large amount of data and information. It can also store pictures, games, music in its memory. Versatility. Versatility means to perform many different activities at the same time. Example, we can listen to songs at the same time play games on the computer. Computer can perform 2 or more applications at the same time. Next one is accuracy. Accuracy means to do work without mistakes or error. Computers are very accurate and the calculations performed by the computer always accurate. Diligence means computer never gets tired or bored after doing a lots of work at a time. It can work continuously for days and months. In spite of having such brilliant features like high storage capacity, speed, versatility, accuracy and diligence, a computer has the following limitation. A computer cannot take its own decision and it cannot detect wrong input given by the user and provide or display wrong results. These are the uses of a computer. First one is problem solving. People can solve their problems by using computers and can also perform mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication on a computer. Playing games. You can play games like chess, car racing on a computer for entertainment. Typing practice. People can type letters application on a computer. It helps practice typing. Arts and entertainment. You can make pictures on computer by using the paint program and can edit your picture by using different tools and can also listen to songs and watch cartoons. Internet. People can collect lots of information from the internet at any time and anywhere in the world. Documentation. People can type letters, application and documents on computer by using MS Word. Accounting. It helps in mathematical calculations. Scheduler. People can use calendar to schedule your appointments, set alarms, etc. These are the objectives related to our this lecture. Grade 4, this is the exercise of chapter number 2. Key terms. Students will highlight these key terms and learn them. First one is versatility. Second, diligence. Students will solve this exercise by yourself, otherwise tell your solved exercise with this solved exercise. Question number A, choose the correct option and write in the space provided. Question number 2, fill in the blanks. Question number C, tick the correct and cross the wrong ones. Question number D, answer the following questions. These are the questions and answer of these questions are: question number 1, what do you mean by accuracy of a computer? Answer: accuracy means perform some work without mistake or error. Question number 2, write any one limitation of a computer. Answer: a computer cannot take its own decision. Question number 3, mention any two characteristics of a computer. Answer: first one is speed, second is high storage capacity. Question number 4, mention any two uses of a computer. Answer: first one is playing games, second is problem solving. Question number 5. Write down any 2 things that you like to do most on a computer. First one is painting. Second is playing games.